What's good, YouTube? It's your boy E Prophet, back for another video. I'm finna showcase my dog, man. Ran into my dog down here cruising down Telegraph. You know what I'm saying? He out here in his Mustang. Showcase my bro for a minute. He wiping that bitch down. You waxing that bitch off, fam? Let's get it. Look at him. This is my man Vision right here. He wanted to bring him a little toy out, so he went ahead and got him a little 5.0 Mustang, man. You know, put some work in, got his shit painted, rims and all that. So, what's good, bro? We on the process, my guy. So, I told everybody, you know, you went and got you a little toy, man. You know, you want to bring something out here for the summer. And you did that. So, what's up, man? Talk to him.
Man, what year is that, man? The 1996 Mustang GT 4.6. Man, I got it, bought it for a couple grand. Got it. When I first got it, it was cool. I smacked it, man, trying to drive it in the wintertime. Yeah.
Front end was fucked up.
Front end was fucked up, man. I went and got everything taken care of, and then I just got it sprayed, man. I was trying to do it last summer. Pandemic slowed me up.
Slowed everybody up.
Yeah, man. But yeah, went and got it sprayed. Outside done.
You got some new headlights too. I see. Them ain't no factories.
Put the LED joints in there.
Yeah, them bitches good.
I switched the rims, but these some stocks from a 2014
Mustang GT.
Yeah, so I got me some spacers, put them boys on there, so they sit up real nice on there.
Drop top.
Spray.
With the rally bar across the top of that bitch, boy. That shit looks so good. Hell yeah.
You know, so the process, man. You know, I got the exterior done. Probably next summer I'll jump on the interior. I'm trying to black it all out leather.
Yeah.
You know, just
you
keep
want
it
to
in
go
the
all
fan
black
for my
leather,
son, man. You know.
But like I said, man, it look good right now, all original, bro. Go get you a good little shampoo or something. Keep it all original, but that shit look good. You know what I mean? But it's all about just following your own vision, bro. I keep on preaching that shit. Like, you got your car, you do what you want to do to your shit. Like, you ain't trying to do too much. You ain't following behind nobody else. You doing what you wanted to do. You feel me? And that shit look good, bro. Hell yeah. It look good. I'm all about showcasing everybody cars, man, from Detroit. Everybody own personal vision, bro. You know what I mean? You do anything else to it, dog? Maybe some brake upgrades or something, caliber upgrades.
All that chrome like you got on your.
I'm saying, with the red calibers, you know, my baby girl Candy sitting over here. Of course, she nasty. Y'all already know, man. But yeah. I appreciate that, bro. That shit was hard work right there. You did. I had to get back out here, dog. No, I had retired for a minute. Niggas slept on me.
Man, I can't believe you did that. That boy looked crazy.
Yeah, man.
Did the damn thing.
I had to jump back out here on niggas. That's my baby. But we finna hit this damn Telegraph cruise and shit now, man. Go down here and get some footage in and just have a good time for a second. So, my nigga Keith, man, you on Instagram, right? Shout outs, man. Where you at?
Keeth Anthony. You know what I'm saying? At KeetHanthony. Keith Anthony. Yeah.
Check my man's out, man. Follow my guy. 5.0 out here with the GT 4.6. I'm sorry, I keep on saying 5.0, man, but y'all already know. Mustang out here. Bitch clean as hell. It's my guy Vision. So I gotta show my man some love, you know. I respect anybody who wanna drop a car and do it their way, you know, and be clean out here. So that's what we all about. So we finna go ahead and cruise now, man. Let's get to it.
Was deleted, I couldn't see it. I had a mind full of demons trying to break free.
Hey, how y'all doing? All right.
What's going on, man?
Brandy Collins, Kenny J right here, baby.
All right now.
We're protecting all of our front lines.
This the Monte Carlo right here, bro. I really want to find one of these. A 72.
My uncle got the same one.
Do we?
My uncle got the same one. I've been trying to get it from him with me. Nigga, my daddy had it first. My daddy girlfriend, before he met my mom, gave it to him. My mom was trying to make him sell it. He gave it to my uncle. My uncle won't even let him see that boy no more.
How clean is it though?
Man, that boy crazy. Sing. That's
I really want to find me one of these, dog. Like with that, look at that shifter on the inside.
Wow.
With that kind of shifter, bro, that's your classic right there, bro. Them hard to find.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Look at this motor.
That's crazy.
That's a big block. Man, I want to find me one of these, dog. And these right here starting to blow up too, these Z28s. It's a second gen Camaro.
Yeah, my
It's one
cousin.
before my body started.
Yeah, my cousin had this.
Should have kept it.
Out here, having a great time. Right.
Oh, it's a T-top too.
Yep.
T-top from that joint, yeah.
I thought about getting me one of these, man, but now what size motor is that? Just give me some info. 502.
502 in there, and that's just a 671 blower.
Okay.
But I got the Holly dual fuel injections. Sweet. It starts like that.
How much horsepower is that?
It's without no boost because it's a 1-to-1. It's 625 horse, 685 torque. But if I boost it up, it'll be about 850.
Okay.
Yeah, for running around on the street, I want it to be zero boost so I can keep it on the street.
I understand. Yeah, I got you. Still got the slicks on. I mean, no slicks for real, but still wide.
Yeah.
How wide is them tires?
33s.
33s. Yeah. Let the pipes come out the side. I like that. That's a good look. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
He says it's all street nigga. Alright, YouTube, so I hit the cruise for a minute, rode on Telegraph, seen some nice cars, ran into my guy Keith. I showcased his Mustang. You know what I mean? I'm proud of my guy. He got a nice car out here. He followed his own vision and what he wanted to do for his build. And I respect that. I'm all about that. It ain't just about my process. My channel was about just showcasing anybody's vision, man. Anybody's car they want to put money into and drop and bring out here, man. I respect all that. So, you know, I want to showcase everybody's vision. You feel me? I put a lot of work into my car, and I ain't the only person who be out here investing and putting all their hard work and effort into their vision, basically. So I just want to show the hard work and dedication it takes to bring these old schools out here. So anyway, make sure y'all stay locked in. You know, like this video, share it, leave a comment, all that YouTube stuff y'all already know now. And stay tuned in, I got more to come. So let's get to it, baby.